Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java. Today we will concentrate on next step of our programs. In last video, we installed Eclipse. Now we'll see using Eclipse how to build one application we can able to see here. So for that, first I'm opening here Eclipse. I already installed last time we seen already. So just opening here Eclipse. So once that Eclipse has opened, here we can create one sample application and we'll write some basic code and we'll run how it can be run. We can see here. So just I opened here Eclipse. So once it is open here, just I'll create one project, the name called as first testing application. Then I'll run, I'll show you how much this is easy compared to our regular code. So for opening of this Eclipse, it takes a little bit time. So for the first time, little bit opening, it will take little time. So it's opening here. So here first we will create a Java project. Once we create that project, there we can create one package. After creating the package, we'll create one class. Within the class, we can write the code for this program, basic program. On the basic program, just I'll write only one line, just print ln. Just I'll write that as a print ln only. Just IDE starting. So while starting an IDE first time, it will ask to create one workspace location. Just you can create that workspace location somewhere in your system, so that next time onwards all of your programs can stored on this particular folder itself. So all programs at a same place easily we can access. So in already our last programs, we created a workspace on desktop. So with the name of Java examples. So this is in this folder itself. Now also I'll create one folder here itself, in this itself. So this is launched. From here, now I'm creating one new project. So first here, click on file. From here, click on Java project. I'm creating this first test app. Just I'm giving you the name as first test app. Then click on next. So here I'm creating this. Click on src source file, then click on finish. Here generate commands, no need, don't create. See here, it's created as test first JRE environment and src. And after that, right click on src. Here you can create new package name. So package name, about what is that package name, we'll discuss in our coming videos. As of now, you can go with what I defined, com.androidian. First Just I'm going like this. You can also follow as of now this. After next videos, I'll explain you what is that meaning of those. And after this package as created, within the package here, you can create one Java class. So this class as test. So I'm creating as a test. See, class has created here. In this, now you can write your main method. That main method is nothing but here public static void main. So here string args. So here system dot out dot. See, even while writing this, it will give ints also. Print ln. See, from here I can select println. Here, hi friends, welcome to our first Eclipse project So after this, you see, even though if anything is missed, it shows errors like this. It's a very advantage of this. Here is the application run. So I'm selecting this project and click on this. So it is asking to run. Select all, run. See, this is our output. In a console, here is a console. In console itself, it is showing this here. Hi friends, welcome to our first Eclipse project. This is the output of this. Like this, we can create our all this. So here there are a lot of shortcuts and all is there. But right now I'm not covering. While coming days, we can discuss each in detail. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.